นูค่ะเมนูyou want something coconut ice cream coconut juice 100 baht 100 baht coconut ice cream coconut juice for 160 you buy 2 100 ice cream coconut
Coconut
juice
ice cream, how much?
for 160 you buy 2 100 baht
160 by 2 100 baht. Discount 20.
Ang isa daw, ang isa
Same,
60.
same.
Hindi mo siya 160.
One and one 100 baht.
Oh, 100.
okay 100 baht coconut ice cream coconut juice for
Yes, the
160
coconut ice
baht
cream. 2 for 100. 2 100, right?
yes for 2 100 baht
Okay, this one, the coconut. 2.
okay ทีมสองลูก for you okay ice cream ice cream for you เอาเหรอแล้วก็จับหัวเรือลูก
Bayarin lang.
shopping shopping
Uy, kabastos na. Uy. Bastos. Ti, bastos man kati, uy. Na, napag-itlog.
Gising
Itlog na.
Ay, may buhok pa. 100 baht.
ไปให้
Bastos man ni si ate, uy. Gipakitaan niya.
Shopping?
Gipakitaan niya utin mo. Oy, pang. Mo dyan eh, mong gipangita pang oh.
Baby.
Baby. Oh. Pumuka po na ng itloga, uy.
What champion?
Ay, napaglututan. Alam mo, ginigingan ni Papang. Lapin daw mo ato. Dali, arap ko yun. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Magkano daw yan?
100.
dalawa. 100 dalawa? Gusto mo? Yung, ano yan?
Coconut ice cream mo ba yung i-aqua sa TikTok?
Okay, ano na picture na to? Gusto mo?
One do.
One? Ha? One? Ha? Two, may two, 100 baht. Discount. Okay. Discount?
Ayan, mani coconut ice cream nila.